Hey viewers, welcome to the Best Tools Review channel on YouTube. To make this video, we analysed hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guides and check the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, let's get started.
In this video we're going to checking out 5 best shop air compressors you can buy right now. We made this list based on tools performance, features, price, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly reviews of actual user. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best shop air compressors in the market. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is CRAFTSMAN Air Compressor. If you're looking for a compact garage air compressor for home garage that doesn't take up too much space, this one from CRAFTSMAN is perfect. This is the best garage air compressor for you to have the power to handle all home projects around the garage with ease. It can generate up to 150 psi and comes with a 5-gallon tank which you'll probably be able to fill up on weekends. This garage air compressor is excellent for tire inflation and other small tasks. It's not the quietest model, though. At 80 decibels, it might get annoying if you're using it in your garage or working late at night. Also not the best built garage air compressor, so don't drop it. It can dent and damage easily. The portable air compressor is proudly made in the USA with global materials in Jackson, Tennessee. For details, let's watch more. Our second best shop air compressors is BOSTITCH Pancake Air Compressor. The portable air compressor has a long-life oil-free, maintenance-free pump for convenient use. BOSTITCH high-efficiency motor of the 6-gallon air compressor is made for easy startup in cold weather or extension cord application. This one is worth considering if you're looking for an air compressor that can handle all your household garage tasks. At 6 gallons, it has the largest tank compared to another air compressor in its price class. It can last up to 3 hours non-stop. In addition, it pumps out up to 150 psi and has a 2.6 SCFM capacity which is powerful enough for light power tools or other tasks around the house. Another great feature is that this air compressor doesn't require a break-in period, so you can start using it immediately without any issues. In addition, it's quiet and has a low vibration level, so you won't have to worry about it bothering you while working in the garage. It's not the most powerful or quietest compressor, but for its price, it's a great choice if you want a reliable machine to use around the house. For details, let's watch more. Third pick in our list is California Air Tools 2010A Air Compressor. The California Air Tools 2010 Ultra Quiet and Oil-Free Air Compressor is designed to be one of the quietest air compressors in the industry, having only 60 decibels of sound. This model from California Air Tool is perfect if you're looking for an ultra-quiet powerful air compressor. In addition, its oil-free pump technology requires no maintenance, no need to break the machine in by running it before using it. It's an ultra-quiet air compressor with a sound level of only 60 decibels at maximum volume. At 2 gallons, it delivers up to 120 psi and is powerful enough for light power tools around the house. Another great feature is its high-quality oil-free dual-piston pump made from aluminum alloy. So if you're looking for a more durable machine with long service life, then this machine allows for this. The aluminum drum is super durable and includes a pressure gauge to let you know when the unit needs more air. The oil-free dual-piston pump system is engineered for high performance and durability. Number 4 in our side is Portacable Air Compressor. This air compressor is useful if you need a powerful machine for various tasks around your garage or workshop. Its 2-stage pump delivers up to 150 psi and has a 1 horsepower motor that can run continuously without overheating. At 6 gallons, it has the largest tank compared to other air compressors in its price range. Another great feature of this air compressor is the oil-free pump, along with an easy-to-read pressure gauge so you can see when it's running low on power. Although not the most portable machine due to its weight, this one is perfect for tasks around your garage, including powering various accessories, heavy-duty tools, or paint sprayers. Highly portable and exceptionally easy to use, the Porter Cable C2002 150 psi, 6-gallon Pancake compressor packs a big punch in a small package. Perfect for everything from filling tires to firing nailers, this compressor features an induction motor that provides long life and optimum performance. For convenience, this efficient unit runs off of normal household circuits and offers mess-free operation. Last in our best shop air compressors list is Makita MAC5200 Air Compressor. Makita's 3.0 horsepower air compressor is equipped with Makita's big bore engineered pump cylinder and piston for higher output for 2 nailers. With less noise and improved job site performance, MAC5200 delivers industrial power and results with improved durability and includes rugged wheels and folding handle for easy transport. The MAC5200 is engineered for low noise, high output and less maintenance, and delivers industrial power and results with improved durability under tough job site conditions. The Makita big bore engineered pump with cast iron cylinder has greater bore and stroke for increased compression, faster recovery and less noise. The cast iron construction is engineered for increased durability even under tough job site conditions. The MAC5200 has an oil lubricated pump and is equipped with a large automotive style filter for increased air intake and greater efficiency. The 5.2-gallon tank sustains an operating pressure of 140 psi and delivers 40 psi and 90 psi, enough for 2 nailers. The oil lubricated pump runs cooler, and the fin discharge tubing dissipates heat more efficiently. The roll cage construction is built for extra protection for the pump and motor assembly, helping it withstand harsh job site environments.